In just 60 seconds, I'll give you steps needed to start a drone photography business. Get certified with a REPL commercial drone license from an accredited drone training school. Buy some drones, at least 2. Start with the DJI Mavic. As you gain confidence and experience, you can upgrade your equipment to deliver higher quality results. Practice. Get to know your settings, drone flight modes, and most of all, your pre- and post-production routines like editing, color correction, and storytelling. Develop a business plan and find your target audience for the services you'll offer. Think out of the box. Remember, your plan should be flexible to adapt with the changing technology. Research and be competitive with your pricing, considering your expenses, equipment costs, training, insurance, and most important, time. Reflect the value that you provide. Finally, market your business with a website. Use AI for your day-to-day operations. Leverage social media platforms while providing valuable content and engaging with your followers. I'm here to share my information with you. Contact us for more information.